at the bottom of the car. There's a bird on the other side of the door. I know you're fussing at me. I'm not doing anything. Oh, I missed it. There was two right there. One of them made it out. Okay, you made it outside the garage. Good. There's a little one up here. I don't think you can see him. He's on the edge. Mom and Dad calling, but there's still a baby in here. There's one more baby in here. That's not the right kind. Come on, baby. There he is. You need to go on out now. Your parents are calling you. You're the last one. Go on out. Get out. Go. Keep going, dude. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, no, he's not out. Go on. Get out.
Where's Mom?
They're right outside. Sitting right there. There's a baby on the wind chime thing. There goes one of the babies. Mom and Dad have been sitting right out here. They're over there.
Oh yeah, I see them in the bushes.
They've been coming in and out. Go, you're the last one.
Where